What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this screen protector that I found on Amazon. It was around 13 bucks for two of them, and it's a big piece of glass for this tablet. So I'm going to show you how to install it, and I'm going to have some links down below if you're interested in purchasing this screen protector. Guys, it's been a while since we've seen Lulu. Here's Lulu. She is over a year old now, but she's a kitten, so she really likes to play and everything. If you want to see my unboxing and my first impressions of the Galaxy S7 Plus with the book cover, click right there and it'll take you over to that, guys. If this is your first time here, guys, hit the subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. Let's get down, take this thing out of the box and put it on the tablet. This is from Sparin. These are two premium tempered glass, and I think it's really awesome that they give you two in a pack. I have used a similar brand for my Nintendo Switch, and I have had zero issues. Open this up right here, and inside the package, we've got two sheets of glass. Oh, dun 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 dun. I place the rains down in Africa. Okay, let's see what they give you here. They give you a set of stickers. They give you a wiper, a cleaning wipe. So they give you two cleaning wipes and one towel. And then these will be for the other one. So you want to keep those in a safe place. Let's just take a look-see here, shall we? Okay, pretty thin glass, so that's not going to be a problem. But as you can see, it is already kind of picking up my fingerprints, so I don't know how much I like that. What we're going to do is wipe this bad boy down. Nice thick wipe, so that's good. At least they give you that. You're gonna wipe down, and you wanna wipe it good to get all the grease and fingerprints and all that good stuff off. And you'll see those little streaks there from the actual alcohol pad. So what you want to do is take the cleaning cloth that they give you, and you want to wipe. So it's pretty clean, but you just want to wipe away any smudges, the dust off, dust, cat hair, anything like that. And wipe and dust and wipe and dust. So now this is going to go here for the camera, and let's see what we can do here. Okay, now I'm just going to peel it off right here. No, that did not work. Okay. You want to line it up with the camera here. Just drop it down. Okay. And now it seems to be placed pretty well. Down, 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 down. See, look at that working on itself. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get these bubbles out. And just push it towards the edge if you can. There's just those one or two little bubbles there. And it's gone. Okay, now as you can see, there's me right there with the GH5. Okay, so yeah, this no longer works. Fart on my face. Okay, so the touch sensitivity is working perfect. It seems to be a little bit slower. So it does affect your fingerprints, so you're gonna just have to do this again. Okay, it looks like you can only have 3 fingerprints, which is a little bit strange. Now let's try to unlock it again, guys. Okay, now it's working, so you will have to redo your fingerprints, but this looks like a pretty solid screen protector, guys. I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, this screen protector works really well. I got it on almost perfectly. The touch responsiveness is perfect. Your old fingerprints will no longer work, so you're better off just going into it with no fingerprints and then redoing it. Now, it still can read the fingerprint, but it is a little bit slower than it was without the glass, which is to be expected because this is an infrared fingerprint reader and it is under the glass already. So you're kind of magnifying it and screwing it up a little bit, having another layer of glass on top of it. So guys, I think for 13 bucks for a 2-pack, this is going to give you all you need need, guys. And if you're interested in purchasing this thing, I'll have a link for it down below. And when you have a nice flat screen, it's really easy to install and you don't really have any touch sensitivity issues. The only issue is the fingerprint sensor, and I kind of knew that going into this, but I'd rather have the tablet a little bit protected because this thing is pretty expensive and pretty sleek. It might be easy to break if you just drop it, which was my concern from the unboxing video with the book cover. It's held on by magnets and it comes off really easy, guys. So keep that in mind, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to use those links down below if you're interested in purchasing any of my gear. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next week, I'm out.